What if I told you that rust costs the US military over $20 billion a year? $20 billion, that's more than the entire GDP of Iceland, just fighting rust. Hard to believe, right? But it's true. Corrosion. That quiet little villain. It doesn't care if you have the latest iPhone or the most advanced fighter jets in the world. It's there, creeping in slowly, weakening every metal it touches. The F-35 Lightning II is a 5th-gen multi-role fighter. The Tesla of the skies, packed with the latest tech, designed for speed, stealth, and strength. But at any given time, up to 45% of these jets are grounded for maintenance, mostly due to corrosion-related issues. Imagine having the coolest ride in the world, but you can't drive it because the tire lug nuts keep falling off. That's the challenge. At Oceanit, we see the problem differently. We don't just want to fix corrosion, we want to prevent it. That's where AeroPel comes in. Think of it like an ultra-thin invisible shield, a nano-protective layer powerful enough to stop corrosion before it starts. Developed by engineers at Oceanit, AeroPel isn't just another coating. It's a nanocomposite treatment force field that wraps around aircraft, components, and even ground support equipment, keeping them in the fight, not in the shop. We wanted to create a solution that saves time and money, but more importantly, that keeps planes operational, the missions going, and our people safe. Did we mention AeroPel's water-based and non-toxic? With AeroPel, we're changing the game. Less corrosion means fewer groundings, fewer repairs, and more time in the air where it counts. We're working alongside Lockheed Martin to protect some of the most important aircraft and support equipment in the world. AeroPel gives these jets, trucks, loaders, and trolleys a second skin, one that defies the elements and keeps them operation ready. Here at Oceanit, we ask ourselves every day, how can we make tomorrow better than today? AeroPel is just one of our answers. But we're not stopping there. Curious about what's next? Stick around, we've got plenty more innovation to show you, and the story's just getting started. Subscribe to our channel and join us as we explore what's possible.